Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel, Math for Beginners, Arithmetic, class 19. Our title is Multiplication of Decimal Number. Here is uh, the method of multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiply the given number like integers as if the decimal point is not present. Find the product and count up now many numbers are present after the decimal point in both the numbers. The count represent now many numbers are required after the decimal point in the product values. For multiplication of two decimal numbers, first we multiply both numbers without decimal point. Then we count the decimal numbers after the numbers after decimal point. Then we uh, we separate these number from the product of these two numbers. Here is some examples. Here is three example. We want to solve this example 2.3 and 1.3. We want to multiply these two number. First 2.3 multiply by 1.3. 3 into 3 9. 3 times 2 6. 1 times 3 3. 1 times 2 2. Actually we multiply these two number without decimal point. 9 6 plus 3 9 2. Now we want to count the numbers after decimal point. Here we have one number and also here we have one number. 2 numbers we have after decimal point. So here it is the product of these two decimal number to these two numbers. From right side we count 1 2. Here we can put the decimal point. Second question, we have 7.81 and 2.181. We multiply these two number. 1 times 1 1. 1 times 8 8. 1 times 7 7. 8 times 1 8. 8 times 8 64. We have 6. 8 times 7 56. We have 6. It will become 62. We have 6. Also we can write 6. We don't have other number here. Now we multiply 1 by 1 times 1 1. 1 times 8 8. 1 times 7 7. 2 times 1 2. 2 times 8 16. We have 1. 2 times 7 14. 14 plus 1 15. We add these numbers. We don't have here another number. We can write 0. Also we can write here also 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 1. 8 plus 8 16. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 8 11. 11 plus 2 13. 1 plus 7 6 7. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 7 20. 2 plus 5 7 1. How many decimal after decimal point? How many number we have? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Here we can write. We can put the decimal point. It is question 1 and it is question 2. Here we want to solve question 3. We have 0.0089 multiply by 3.10029. 9 times 9 81. We have 1 8 9 times 8, 72. 72 plus 8, 80. 9 times 0, 0 plus 8, we can write 8. 9 times 0, 9 times 0, 0. Next number 2. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 2 times 0. 0 times 9, 0, 0, 0. Also 0. Next, 0 times 9, 0 times 8, 0, 0, 0. 1 times 9, 9. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0, 0. 3 times 9, 27. We have 2. 3 times 8, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 3 times 0, 0, 2. 3 times 0, 3 times 0. We add this number 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15, we have 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 9, 15. 1 plus 6, 7. 1 plus 7, 2, 0, 0. How many number we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we can put the decimal point. 0.027592581 is the product of these two numbers. Now we want to explain division of decimal numbers. To simply divide the decimal numbers, move the decimal point in the numbers such that the number becomes the whole number. Actually, it is the denominator. We want to make the whole number the denominator of the number. Then we divide as usual, like integers. Now perform the division operation like the integers division. Here we want to explain this method in the examples. Here we have 2.31 divided by 0.2. Now we try to make this number make as whole number. If we carry the decimal point here in front of 2, it will become whole number. Also from here also we have to carry, if we carry 1 plus, then here also we can bring here in front of 3. If we carry the decimal point in front of before 2, also we can change, we have to change decimal point from here in front of 3. So actually we have to write 3.1 divided by 0, 2. Decimal point came here. Here we have 0, 0. Then right side of decimal point is meaningless. Also here in left side of 2, 0 is meaningless. Actually here we have 2. That is 3.1 divided by 2. Now we can divide this number. 23.1 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 multiplied by 1 by 2. 1 times 2, 2. Here we bring 3. 3 divided by 2, 1 times. 1 times 2, 2. Here we have 1. We carried the decimal point here in quotient, so we bring 1. 11 divided by 2 5 times. 5 multiplied by 2 10. Here we have 1. Also we put 0. 10. 10 divided by 2 5. 5 times 2 10. Here there is no remainder. Therefore 2 times 3 1 divided by 0.2 is equal to 11.55. It is the solution. Question 2. We have 21.6 divided by 0.4. It is equal to, we can write as here decimal point carry in front of 4. Also from here decimal point goes to in front of 6. 216 divided by 4. So 216 divided by 4. 21 divided by 2 5 times. 5 multiplied by 4 20. Here 1 will bring 6. 16 divided by 4 4 times. 4 times 4 16. There is no remainder. Therefore 21.6 divided by 0.40, it is equal to 54. Equation 3, here we have 0.89812 divided by 0.08. First we want to make whole number here, so we have to carry the decimal point in front of 8. So here, from here also, this decimal point came to in front of 9. At 9.812 divided by 8. So now we divide the 9.812 divided by 8. Here we have 8 divided by 8 1 times. We want to write here 8 9.812. We use this method. Here divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 1 times. 8 multiply by 1 8. Here we bring 9. 9 divided by 8 1 time. 1 multiply by 8 8. Here we have 1. Now we carry over the decimal point over here. We bring 8. 8 divided by 8 2 times. 2 multiply by 8 16. We have 2. We bring 1. 21 divided by 8 2 times. Again 16. It will become 11 minus 6 5. We bring 2. 52. 52 divided by 8 6 times. 6 it will become 48. From here 12 minus 8 4. We put 0. 40 divided by 8 5 times. 5 multiplied by 8 40. There is no remainder, so it is equal to, it is the answer 1.2265.